How's everybody doing? Well, today is just a regular vlog about what we do and how we do it. So we have this property right here and this property right here, two side by side, and my man Quest is in the back there. These are the two that we actually push mow, and today is I guess you may call it a heavy push mow day, because we're push mowing, I want to say 4 properties today. All right, so I edge first, and I seldom do this, but the reason I edge first today is because, as you can tell, this side is kind of dry, so it's not dirty or muddy where it's going to leave that muddy film once I roll over with the zero turn. I'm using the radius today. Yep, put some hours on it. And by the way, this is what the centipede lawn looks like 2 weeks. This is a typical 2 weeks growth, and this is when we switch over from weekly to bi-weekly. Well, it's at the end of the month, and there's no way in heck, guys, let me tell you, you can't come to these properties weekly with this thing growing this slow. All right, so this is different type of turf. You treat it completely different. Now I will definitely mow this at 2.5 inches. Okay, all right. Guys, this is what it looks like. Both properties, front and back. Nice crisp edge. Now I will say, guys, we change out our blades every day. Doing 18-19 properties a day, we change out our blades every day. Now here's our blade holder. We pay, I want to say 32 bucks a box, and that's because we get a 20% discount when we buy in bulk at the beginning of the season from our dealer. And this is not a debate whether you should use string trim, use the string, or you should use the blade. Okay, this is what we do. It makes extremely better. Thank you. It makes extreme better, crispier edge to me. All right, I'm not gonna lock this because we just going down the bottom and move on to the next.